So hello Capriolo, it's nice to be back again. This year we have a big change. We are rebranding from Rubena to Mitas based on the decision of the owners, so that all the tire production within our group is under one brand. So Rubena will slowly disappear and there will be only Mitas brand. Another big project was the partnership with the Caper Epic race in South Africa, which is the hardest stage race in the world, and we became the partners until 2018. We also introduced a very unique special technology that we call Textra, which is a special textile protection of the sidewall and of the bead area, and it's working perfectly. We have like 40 riders at the race and none of them have had a single defect throughout the race, so thumbs up. For the future we are preparing some new products, some new road tire, some cyclocross tires, so there are some plans and we'll be introducing them throughout the year and mainly at the Eurobike next year.